Hi guys, I am Jashwant. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about polymorphism concept in verbs in Java. Already we know that there are four main principles in Java. They are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. In this lecture we are going to focus on this polymorphism topic. Before going to that, first of all we need to know about what is meant by polymorphism. Polymorphism is a Greek word. Poly means many and morph means forms. It is simply combining of many forms. Polymorphism is nothing but many forms. Once you go through the definition once, and polymorphism is divided into two types. One is compile time polymorphism and the other is runtime polymorphism. Actually, why this polymorphism is divided into two types is because for execution of any Java code, Java program, Java compiler executes that in two stages. One is execution stage and the other is runtime stage. So that polymorphism also divided into two types. They are compile time polymorphism and the other is runtime polymorphism. Okay, now coming to compile time polymorphism. It can be achieved at Java compilation time. Compile time polymorphism can be achieved at Java compilation time. It is fixed so that it is called as static polymorphism or early binding. Static means fixed. You will get more clarity about compile time polymorphism when you see some codes regarding this. By seeing the definition, you will get a little bit confusion. Don't worry. At the end of this lecture, you will get to know about this. And to achieve compile time polymorphism, here we will use a small concept that is called as method overloading. Method overloading concept will be used in compile time polymorphism. And remember that in runtime polymorphism, method overriding will be used. We can discuss that later. And present focus on compile time polymorphism. Method overloading concept will be used. Okay, this end of the slide. And see, this is one of the sample code. Here just created a class which is method1. Class name is method1 and created two methods of same name, one add and with two constraints. Number of constraints also same. Okay, don't get confusion. Now I am going to explain you clearly. Yeah, here first of all the file name is method2.java, so that the class name should be method2. I think you all are aware of this. Sorry, public class method2. Public class method2. And after this, I am going to create a method name. Don't confuse, method2 is class name and now I am going to create a method name. You know that for creating a method we will use public void and method name. Now I am going to take the method name as add. You can take any other name your wish, but I am going to use add. And any constraints, I am going to take two constraints and those are two integers. Public void add two integers. After this, we should queue some more. Means I'm going to give print statement. Directly you can give print statement, but I'm going to take some yes variable and sum equals to a plus b. Don't forget to keep semicolon in Java. Okay, here declaring the sum as int sum. Now the red line has been gone. After that, I'm going to print system.out println sum. Okay, that's it. I have created Firstly, I have created a class which is of name method2. After that, I have created public void yard. Yard is our method name. Method2 is our class name. Now I am going to create another method which is of same name, public void yard. And see now, int a comma int b. See now, I am getting an error, that is it is showing some red line. Okay, are you going to are you observing, right? Because it comes under duplication stage, that is same method name with same constraints, so that it will show us error. To avoid this error, we are going to take another integer. Okay, now the error has been gone. Same sum equals to a plus b semicolon. Copy this and paste here. Okay, after this, I think you have understood. If you have any doubts, please put it in comment section. I have created second method of same yard name with 3 constraints. See, 3 integers ABC, so that we will not get any error. After this, now we are going to create main class. Main class, see, creating main class is this part. Okay, public static void main string args. Okay, public static void main string args. In this, now I am going to create an object, that is method2. My class name is method2, and now write object name. I am going to take object as small m. Okay, okay, my method name is small m, and we know that to create a method we will use, yeah, this is my method. After this, now, okay, don't forget to put semicolon this after this, and now we will call this m as m dot, object name is m, so that I called m dot yard. Give any random integers. I am going to give 2 comma 3 and put semicolon. See here, if I am going to press here, it is showing the function, it is showing the method, first method, this method, because we have given input as 2 integers, 2 comma 3, and here 2 integers are there, ab, but here 3 integers are there, so that it is not going to take this method, it is going to take this method. Okay, when I give 3 integers, that is m dot yard, take up 3, 4, 5, put semicolon, and when I click on this, it is showing second method. See, 3, 4, 5, 3 integers are there, so that it will show method with 3 constraints. First of all, it will check yard method. It will go to our code and check yard method, how many yard methods are there. If there exists a single method, it will continue. Here we have 2 methods of same name yard. Then it will go to constraints part. Here we have given 3 constraints, so that it will check if there is any method available with yard name and 3 constraints. If it is available, then it will run here, otherwise it will show error. Okay, now I am going to run this. see, we got 5 comma 7. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 4 3. See, okay, here sum equals to a plus b plus c. That's a mistake. See now 5 comma 12. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 4 3 is 12. That's right. Okay, I hope that you have understood this one. Now simply you can see this so that you will be able to understand. First of all, I have created class name of method 1. After that, method name add. Same, 2 constraints integers a and b. Here also 2 constraints but different data types. Remember this. In method overloading, first you can keep different constraints. Number of constraints as different. That is first case. And the second case is different data types. Okay. They may be integers, double, string, etc. Here instead of double you can keep string and one double, one string, one double, two doubles or two integers. If you keep two integers, here two integers, here two integers, it will show error. Okay. 3 integers you can keep, or instead of 3 you can keep 4, 5 like that. I hope that you got this point. I'm going to summarize all this what we have discussed. Polymorphism, many forms. Okay, 2 types these are, and it can be achieved by using method overloading concept. Thank you.